Good morning, students of class 5. Students, I'm sure all of you are fit and fine in your home. Students, please stay indoor and keep yourself safe. Students, today I'm going to continue with Unit 12 adjectives of your English grammar books. So all of you, please take out your English grammar books and turn to page number 54. Students, please take out your English grammar books and turn to page number 54, Unit 12, Adjectives. Students, in my last video, I was explaining exercise 3, that is underline the adjectives and tell their kinds. Now students, before I continue with this exercise, let's revise the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives, students, are describing words. They describe the nouns. Now, adjectives are of 6 kinds. The first kind of adjective is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes the quality of the noun. It tells us about the shape, size, color, feeling, etc. of the noun. Then the second kind of adjective is adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity tells us about how much. It is generally used with uncountable nouns. We also use it with countable nouns when we don't want to show the exact number. Then the third kind of adjective is adjective of number or numeral adjective. Beta, adjective of numbers tells us about the exact number of the nouns. It gives us the answer of how many. Then the fourth kind of adjective is demonstrative adjective. It tells us the exact position of the noun. And there are 4 demonstrative adjectives. This, that, these, those. This is used for a thing which is nearby. These for plural things which are nearby. That for one thing which is far away. And those is the plural of that for plural things which are far away. Then the fifth kind of adjective is the interrogative adjective. Which, what, whose. The question words, they always are followed by a noun. These are the interrogative adjective. And the sixth kind of adjective is possessive adjective. They are always followed by a noun and they tell us that a particular thing belongs to whom. So these are the 6 kinds of adjectives. Now students, in exercise 3, we have to underline the adjective and tell their kind. So first of all students, I will revise the first 8 sentences which I had done in my last video. Then I'll continue with the 9th sentence. The first one is, she prepared delicious soup for him. Students, in this, delicious is the adjective and delicious is adjective of quality because it is telling us about the taste of the soup. That is the quality of the soup. So, delicious is adjective of quality. Then, the second sentence is, we help our friends. Our friends. In the second sentence, students, our is the adjective and it is coming before the noun friends. So, our is describing friends. So, our is what? Possessive adjective. It is telling us that whose friends? Our friends. So, underline our and our is possessive adjective. Then the third sentence. Which pen is yours? Now, which pen is yours? Beta, which is followed by pen. So, which is adjective and which kind of adjective? Interrogative adjective. So underline which and write interrogative adjective. Then fourth, which is your pen? Now, which is your pen? Your pen. Your is followed by the noun pen, describing pen. So your is possessive adjective. Underline your, and your is possessive adjective. Then the fifth one. She got a pretty dress on her 10th birthday. There are two adjectives in this sentence, pretty and 10th. Pretty is describing the noun after pretty, that is dress. So pretty is adjective of quality. It is telling us about the quality of the dress. That how is the dress? Pretty. So pretty is adjective of quality, whereas the next adjective is 10. 10th is telling the number. So 10th is adjective of number. And the noun it is describing is birthday. So 10th is adjective of number. Then the seventh sentence. We are delighted to meet our friends. Now, there are two adjectives. Delighted, adjective of quality. Why? Because it is describing the feelings. It is describing the feelings. So, adjective of quality. Delighted is adjective of quality. Our friends. Whose friends? Our friends. Our possession बता रहा है कि किसके फ्रेंड्स है बेटा? हमारे फ्रेंड्स है. तो our is possessive adjective. Now the eighth one. Don't buy stale vegetables from that shop. Two adjectives. Stale vegetable. Stale किसको describe कर रहे हैं? Vegetable को. Stale क्या है बेटा? Adjective of quality. And the next adjective in this sentence is that shop. That demonstrative adjective because it is describing the noun shop. So, stale is adjective of quality and that is demonstrative adjective. Now students, I'll start with the ninth sentence. The ninth sentence is, why did you buy so much rice? Now students, this is the question. Why did you buy so much rice? Now this is an interrogative sentence, so don't get confused कि why बेटा इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव नहीं होता है बिकॉज why के बाद नाउन तो है नहीं. पहला रूल यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड कि why के बाद नाउन तो है नहीं, है. सो why तो हो नहीं सकता. नाउ why did you buy so much rice? कौन सा वर्ड इंडिकेट कर रहा है? नाउन के पहले कौन सा वर्ड आया बेटा? so much. ये किसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? राइस को. Why did you buy so much rice? So much. Rice क्या है बेटा? Uncountable noun. So, for generally uncountable nouns, which adjective हम कौन सा बेटा adjective use करते हैं? Adjective of quantity. जहाँ पे जो हम uncountable nouns के संग use करते हैं. And adjective of quantity also gives us the answer of how much, so much. ये quantity बता रहा है, exact number नहीं बता रहा है. So much बेटा कौन सा हो गया आपका? So much is adjective of quantity. And you need to keep in mind कि हम बेटा adjective of quantity किसके संग यूज करते हैं? जनरली विद अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. तो राइस क्या है? राइस को तो हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते. राइस इज अनकाउंटेबल. वी कैन weigh rice. We cannot count rice. So adjective of quantity uncountable nouns के संग use किया जाता है. It is also used with countable nouns where we do not want to tell the exact number. So यहाँ पे so much rice, so much एक amount बताना है. And आपको ये याद में रखना है adjective जो है हमेशा उसके बाद एक noun आता है जिसको वो describe करता है. तो so much किसको describe कर रहा है बेटा? rice को. तो so much क्या हो गया? adjective of quantity. so much क्या हो गया बेटा? adjective of quantity. rice uncountable nouns है and uncountable nouns के साथ हमने क्या यूज किया है बेटा? so much. so much क्या है? adjective of quantity. adjective of numbers are used with countable nouns. ये दिमाग बेसिक डिफरेंस है बेटा. at times अब adjective of quantity भी countable nouns के संग यूज करते हैं. कहां पे यूज करते हैं? where we do not want to show exact number. so यहाँ पे तो rice uncountable है. so it is clear that this is adjective of quantity. got it? now I hope all of you have written, and remember that this exercise you need to do in your English notebook. Now the 10th sentence. Those diamonds are expensive. Now, our 10 sentences. Those diamonds are expensive. We need to identify the adjective first, then we need to tell that which kind of adjective. Those diamonds. So the word those is there and it is describing the noun diamonds. So those demonstrative adjective है and demonstrative adjective कौन से होते हैं बेटा? 4. This, that, these, those. कोई एक चीज जो हमारे पास में है उसको हमें बताना है तो हम this यूज करेंगे. कोई एक चीज जो हमसे दूर है उसको बताना है तो हम that यूज करेंगे. बहुत सारी चीजें हमारे पास में है उनको डिस्क्राइब करना है तो हम these यूज करेंगे. और बहुत सारी चीजें जो हमसे दूर है उनको डिस्क्राइब करना है तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे बेटा? those. फाइन. सो यहाँ पे those diamonds, वो डायमंड. दूर से जो हम बोलते हैं ना, कोई हमसे जो दूर है. सो those diamonds are expensive. अब इसमें there are 2 adjective. एक तो those आपका कौन सा है बेटा? those demonstrative adjective. Then the next adjective in this sentence which is describing the diamonds are those. तो आपने शो किया. and the quality of the diamonds expensive. क्वालिटी बता रहा है एक्सपेंसिव. तो एक्सपेंसिव बेटा कौन सा आपका एडजेक्टिव हो गया? एक्सपेंसिव एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. Expensive is describing the adjective of quality. Quality of the diamonds. So, those point out कर रहा है diamonds को. And expensive क्या बता रहा है? Diamonds की quality. And दोनों adjectives किसके लिए use किए गए? For the noun diamonds. So, I hope students now this sentence is clear to you. There are 2 adjectives in this sentence. Those diamonds are expensive. और बेटा those demonstrative adjective जो point कर रहे हैं diamonds को, whereas expensive are telling the quality. So those क्या हो गया? demonstrative adjective and expensive क्या हो गया? adjective of quality. Please write this in your notebook. I want this exercise that all of you should write this exercise in your notebook. So the concept is clear, because in the book there is no space for you to write the kinds of adjective. So those diamonds are expensive, those demonstrative adjective जो आप point कर रहे हो, unexpensive showing the quality of the diamonds. And both these adjectives किसको describe कर रहे हैं, किस noun को describe कर रहे हैं बेटा, diamonds. I hope students you all have done. Now can I erase this and write the 11th one? 11 sentences whose purse is this. Now, our sentences, this is an interrogative sentence, this is a question. Whose purse is this? आप सबसे पहले कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे दिस को देख के कि मैम ने तो बोला है कि 4 एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं, दिस, दैट, दीज, दोस. ये जहां भी आए आप बंद करके लिख दो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. नो, दिस कब डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव होगा, जब इसके बाद एक नाउन होगा. दैट दिस इज फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन. दिस, दैट, दीज, दोस के बाद जब भी नाउन होगा तभी वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव होगा बेटा. यहाँ पे दिस के बाद तो देयर इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क, देयर इज नो नाउन फॉलोइंग दिस, सो दिस इज नॉट द एडजेक्टिव. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग. आपको सेंटेंस में दिस दिखा, आप अंडरलाइन करके एडजेक्टिव लिख दोगे? नो, यू नीड टू कीप इन माइंड बेटा कि जो दिस है वो डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव कब होगा, दिस, दैट, दीज, दोस, व्हेन these adjectives are followed by a noun जिसको वो describe करेंगे. This cat, this book, this board, ऐसे कोई भी noun उसके बाद follow होना चाहिए. अगर if noun is not followed by this, that, these, those, तब वो demonstrative adjective नहीं होगा. So this you need to keep in mind. तो this नहीं होगा. अब कौन सा ऐसा वर्ड है जिसके बाद नाउन है सेंटेंस में चिल्ड्रन? नाउ whose purse is this. अब इसमें कौन से वर्ड के बाद नाउन आ रहा है? whose. whose किसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है बेटा? पर्स को. कौन सा नाउन है उसके बाद? पर्स को. तो whose purse is this. whose purse. तो यहाँ पे whose क्या हो गया आपका? Interrogative adjective. Which adjective, children? Interrogative adjective. Whose कौन सा adjective है बेटा? इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. वाई? बिकॉज whose के बाद क्या है? नाउन. पर्स है. पर्स है, पर्स इज अ नाउन. तो whose किसको डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? पर्स को. इसलिए whose कौन सा एडजेक्टिव हो गया बेटा? इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. whose पर्स इज दिस. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. दिस नहीं होगा. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, क्योंकि दिस के बाद कोई नाउन नहीं. नो नाउन इज फॉलोइंग दिस. दिस इज नॉट फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन, सो दिस इज नॉट द एडजेक्टिव. इसमें एडजेक्टिव कौन सा है बेटा? whose. why whose? because whose के बाद पर्स है and पर्स is a noun. I hope all of you have done, children. Whose purse is this? Whose is interrogative adjective. Now, the 12th sentence. She needed a little help Now, the sentence says, she needed a little help from my mother. Now, first of all, you need to identify those words which are describing the noun. So, she needed a little help from my mother. Little किस नाउन को describe कर रहा है? Help को. कितनी है? How much help? Little help. How much help? Little help. From my mother. Whose mother? My mother. Whose mother? My mother. So there are two adjectives in this sentence which are describing the nouns. Little किसको describe कर रहा है? Help को. Little help from my mother. How much help? Little help. तो little क्या हो गया बेटा? Little is adjective of quantity. क्योंकि help को help is not countable. आप help तो measure करके दे नहीं सकते हो कि एक help दे दो, दो help दे दो. We cannot measure help. You cannot count help. So help is uncountable. तो uncountable nouns के संग हम कौन सा बेटा adjective यूज करते हैं? Adjective of quantity. Now, she needed a little help from my mother. Whose mother? My mother. My word क्या बता रहा है? Possession. कि किसकी mother है? My. My possession बता रहा है कि she is not everybody's mother. She is my mother. है ना? Mother की possession बता रहा है. My. तो my कौन सा हो जाएगा बेटा? Possessive adjective. So, she needed a little help from my mother. The two adjectives are little and my. Little is describing how much help? Little help. So, how much का आंसर किससे मिला? Little का. So, वो adjective कौन? Which gives you the answer of how much? That is adjective of quantity. And my mother, showing the possession कि mother किसकी है? My. So my is what? Possessive adjective. I hope this is clear to you, children. Now can I erase? Now the 13th sentence. Dark clouds hovered in the sky. Now, the 13th sentence is dark clouds hovered in the sky. Now, first of all, we need to find the word which is describing the noun. तो noun कौन सा है? Clouds भी है, sky भी है. But sky से पहले तो कुछ नहीं है. So clouds के पहले कौन सा word है? Dark. So dark is the adjective. Dark clouds. Which kind of clouds? Dark clouds. Clouds का कलर बता रहे कि clouds are dark, है ना? तो कौन सा adjective हो गया बेटा? Dark is adjective of quality. Adjective of quality describes us about the shape, size, color of the noun. So adjective of quality. Dark, adjective of quality. Now, dark clouds hovered in the sky. तो dark क्या हो गया बेटा? Adjective of quality. Dark is what? Adjective of quality. Got it? Because dark किस noun को describe कर रहे हैं बेटा? Clouds को. So dark, adjective of quality. Please write. Dark clouds hovered in the sky. Dark color बता रहे हैं clouds का, adjective of quality. Now the 14th one. The 14 sentences. The talkative. What do you mean by talkative, children? The one who talks a lot. जो बहुत बातें करते हैं. At times you talk in the class, so teacher tells you, you all are very talkative. बहुत बात करते हो, है ना? तो जो बहुत बात करते हैं उनको क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Talkative. The talkative kids. Kids मतलब children. Irritated. Irritated करना मतलब परेशान कर देना, चढ़ जाना. The talkative kids irritated their grandpa. Grandfather को grandpa भी बोलते हैं. So now we need to find the words which are describing the noun. The talkative kids. Which kind of kids, children? The talkative kids. Irritated their grandpa. Whose grandpa? Their grandpa. तो their क्या हो गया बेटा? Adjective. Talkative किसको describe कर रहा है बेटा? Kids को. और their किसको describe कर रहा है? कि किसके grandpa हैं? Their grandpa. Kids के grandpa. Grandpa किसको belong करते हैं? Kids को. So the two adjectives are, the first one is talkative. Talkative kids के बारे में बता रहे कि कैसे बच्चे, which kind of kids? Talkative. So adjective of quality. Talkative, adjective of quality. Their grandpa. Whose grandpa? Their grandpa. मतलब किसके grandpa है? Kids के. So there is possessive adjective. Talkative, adjective of quality, describing the quality of the kids. How are the kids? Which kind of kids? Talkative kids. They're telling us whose grandpa? The kid's grandpa. So, possessive adjective. I hope all of you have written, children. Now the last sentence of this exercise. What color is your shirt? This is the question. What color is your shirt? Now, what color? कलर को कौन सा वर्ड डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? What? शर्ट योर शर्ट, शर्ट को कौन सा डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है? योर. सो व्हाट कलर, व्हाट इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव, व्हाट इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव कलर को डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है. योर शर्ट, हुज शर्ट? योर शर्ट. तो योर क्या हो गया बेटा? पॉजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. किसकी शर्ट है? योर शर्ट. पोजेशन बता रहा है शर्ट की कि शर्ट किसको बिलोंग करता है. सो व्हाट इंट्रोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव डिस्क्राइबिंग the noun color and your shirt describing the noun shirt. So what is interrogative adjective and your is possessive adjective. I hope students that exercise 3 is now clear to you and now you know the kinds of noun. So students, please complete this exercise in your English notebook neatly and draw parting line after each kind of adjective and then write the next sentence. That's all for today, students. Thank you, students. Have a good day ahead.